Party in the house. Whoa! Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Can you just shut up for 2 minutes, please? I'm saying something. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. It's been like 2-3 days. I haven't uploaded that video, my last video on that other post, the Kochi trip. That full data has got disappeared. I don't know, it got cleared somewhere. So I could not upload that. So that's the reason I didn't upload the last video, which was the mass and the reception one. So today we are going out. So guys, we're all set, ready. I come outside the hotel. So the car is here. Just getting it warmed up, and then we'll go to the church now. I don't think I will take any videos in the church, so we'll take directly at the reception. Yes. This is another boy. So we'll reach at the reception and directly I will shoot and I'll show you around. Party in the house. Whoa! So guys, we are here at the beach. This is the Colva beach. This is the inside way, the diesel pump side. There the boy is gone. The back, you can hear the bike noise. So this is the area we are going now down. Oh, look at this! Look at this. This is like a river type at the left hand side, and this is the beach. Check this. So our group members are over there, so we need to go and find them. Where are they? And then we'll just chill over here on the beach. Sunday today, so it's a good time to like relax yourself, and especially when you're in Goa, so it's double, triple fun. So guys, we have come to this Colva junction over here to have Shiv Puri and Pani Puri. It is over there, the junction, the circle, and it's this place we are going to eat over there. So Faith is a new Pani Puri girl. I want Pani Puri. Huh? Nara. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. तो भाई बना रहे हमारे शिवपुरी और हम लोग खाने के लिए रुके हैं यहाँ पे. वो थोड़ा मीठा रस डाल रहे हैं.
Okay then.
Good job. Who's next? Come on, Valenza. Good job. Now who's next?
Me. Excited.